Plant FAQs. Anthurium Besseae. Anthurium Besseae, the velvet gem of the plant world. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm obsessed with a plant, the Anthurium Besseae. This isn't your average houseplant. It's a captivating creature with velvety, deep green leaves that shimmer with silver veins. It's like a living jewel, adding a touch of luxury to any indoor space. But beyond its stunning looks, the Anthurium Besseae is surprisingly easy to care for. That's why I wanted to create a one-stop shop for all your questions about this remarkable plant. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What is an Anthurium Besseae? The Anthurium Besseae is a tropical wonder native to the rainforests of Bolivia. It belongs to the Besseae family, known for its diverse and often dramatic foliage plants. This specific variety stands out for its velvety, almost matte texture on its deep green leaves. The contrasting silver veins give it a captivating, almost iridescent quality. New leaves emerge a stunning burgundy, adding another layer of visual interest. You might see the Anthurium Besseae listed with AF after the name. This stands for affinity. Botanists suspect it might be a yet-to-be-described species closely related to the true Anthurium Besseae. But whatever the official name, its beauty remains undeniable. Anthurium Besseae versus Crystallinum. Both the Besseae and the Crystallinum are known for their stunning foliage, but in entirely different ways. The Besseae's velvety texture is like running your fingers over plush moss. New leaves unfurl a deep, almost black-red, before maturing to a rich green. The veins are beautiful, but more subtle compared to Anthurium Crystallinum. Speaking of veins, that's where the Crystallinum shines. Its leaves are a lighter green, almost chartreuse, with a network of thick, silvery veins that seem to glow. The overall effect is stunning, like a piece of living art. Care-wise, the Besseae seems a touch thirstier, while the Crystallinum seems more forgiving of occasional neglect. Ultimately, the choice comes down to whether you prefer velvety drama or dazzling veins. How to care for Anthurium Besseae. The good news is, the Anthurium Besseae is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here's how to keep it thriving. Light. Think rainforest floor, not direct sunlight. Filtered, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Aim for consistent moisture, but not soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid letting the plant sit in water. Humidity. As a rainforest native, the Besseae loves humidity. A humidifier is a great option, or you can group it with other humidity-loving plants. Pebble trays with water can also help. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or orchid bark are good options. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month is sufficient. Troubleshooting common Anthurium Besseae issues. Even the most dedicated plant parent can face challenges. Here's how to address some common Anthurium Besseae issues. Brown leaves. This could be a sign of underwatering or sunburn. Adjust your watering schedule and move the plant away from direct sunlight. Yellowing leaves. Overwatering is the likely culprit. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Leggy growth. Insufficient light can cause the plant to stretch for more light. Move it to a brighter location with indirect light. So, is the Anthurium Besseae right for you? If you're looking for a stunning, easy-to-care-for plant that adds a touch of luxury to your home, the Anthurium Besseae is a perfect choice. Its velvety texture and captivating veins make it a conversation starter. Plus, with proper care, it will reward you with years of vibrant foliage.